Here's a 2016 Kia Sportage. This crossover was made to show off. Not only will you enjoy its agile handling, remarkably smooth ride, and exceptional acceleration, but the bold lines and striking features make a statement too. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual telescoping steering column, Theta 2 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds that passengers and drivers alike benefit from well-contoured seats and adequate head and legroom. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Arizona Car Sales, you won't find a better vehicle for a better price. Conveniently located at 1648 East Main Street in Mesa, Arizona.